Hello everyone, I am Shashank Singh from BTech City IS and my guide's name is Kaveri Kangune and my mini presentation report is on e-health. So let's start this. Introduction. In this chapter, we are gonna talk about mixing cloud computing with e-health. So in this, we have done some of the researches and we have certain aims and we finally implemented that work. So background of the contest, as today world can be considered as an IT world since everything is revolving around the development of IT, its role and scope is increasing day by day. So every day new innovations are coming in the field of IT. So today we made a web development project where for healthcare system which is very effective and very flexible in manner. Cloud computing with e-health. In medical setting, the cloud offers the potential of easy access to electronic medical records, a quick person's medical history and speed up treatments. So, in addition, in this project, we have done in this project the cloud have helped us in a way easier for the patients to locate and keep track of their own medical history. So with eHealth, one can join several programs towards his goal regarding fitness, diabetes, blood pressure, heart, cardiovascular diseases, etc. So these are the related works, aim and objectives, which uh, as I have explained you earlier, our aim is to provide several programs towards people who basically wants to improve their health. Uh, in fitness, like if they want to lose weight or lose weight like gain weight, then the person who are suffering from diabetes or cardiovascular diseases or blood pressure. So features and benefits are we have several programs for our clients. Then we have consultancy services for our clients. They can directly take the appointment with our doctors or trainers. Then a limitation is if you talk about limitation, then in healthcare is far behind in adoption of advanced technologies like cloud computing, big data analytics, and making mobile computing. So workflow in healthcare institution and hospitals depends on patients' file, prescription, and reports. So, but in nowadays we can shift it to the clouds. We can access it easily. And some of the limitations are digital divide in India. Like cities has some of the in urban cities, some of the hospitals have they do use web technologies like ITs and new technologies for high quality healthcare services. And in rural area, hospitals lacks in such infrastructure, which is below the recommended in terms of availability of doctor, patient, and relation. And according to the population, there is one doctor per thousand, uh, per thousand persons in rural area. So research methodology is we have done semantic literature review and internal internet research. Um, then we have focused mostly on responsive e-health system framework to offer a basic common model which can be used by some special e-health application in the future. Then to design a reasonable in a responsive web design methods. Then the fourth one will be to select the reasonable deployment vendor for e-health. Requirements is you should have at least 400 megahertz processing computer, 1 GB minimum, 1 GB RAM. Yeah, and mobile. implementation. So implementation part I'm gonna show you now. So first, let's first know what is eHealth. Basically, eHealth is a web application platform where people can relate with health issue like weight management, diabetes, blood pressure, and can get a proper instruction by our top-notch doctors, trainers, which who will help them related to overcome their health problem via coaching, consulting. Forum classes are available, training classes are available, ebooks, then programs are available. So this is the implementation part. So this is our home page. So on our home page, this is the menu, header menu. In header menu, we have about section, facility section, services, membership, shop. In shop, we have ebooks, which you can. It is in a digital format, which you can buy it. This is our home page. So from here, you can learn more about our website, our idea, our e-health infrastructure. This is the shop page. In shop page, you can shop the ebooks, like all the best selling ebooks. You can shop directly from here. It will be in a ebook format, digital product. This is a weight management program. In this weight management program, one can join according to his need. Like if he wants a regular diet plan, then he should go for a one time plan. If you have certain goals regarding weight loss or weight gain, for a smaller period of time, for a small period of time, he can join 4 weeks plan, 12 weeks plan, and 24 weeks plan. Each week's plan have different specification, which is listed inside it. So this is our best selling ebooks section. Here you can buy all the health related ebooks which we provide. Like this is of heart, back to life after a heart crisis. This is about diabetes. This is about weight loss. This is about diabetes, and this is about the diet cure, the 8-step program to rebalance your body chemistry and food. So this is the chat box that we have included in our website. Here you can, if you are a client, you can directly chat with the end person or the admin. If you cannot find any certain thing, or if you have any doubt regarding our website, you can just live chat here. So this is our about page. So this is contact. If you are interested but you don't have time to like to inquiry, so you can just put up your first name, last name, email id, and the message. We will contact you in a certain time. This is the view. This is the mobile view, how you will see it in a mobile. So this is the like plans, programs. Okay, so remaining. Okay, so now references. These are the references. So now I'm gonna show you the live implementation, live website. So this is the live website. Welcome to eHealth. Join now. These are the menu, header menu, and these all are the programs. Like if you want a one-time plan, you can. I'll show you this later. So let's visit the home page first. This is the section of best selling ebooks, where you can buy all the. You can add just add to cart it, and you can later check out it. So this is our main services panel, where we provide consultancy with our doctors. This is improving cardiovascular with Dr. Priya. This is fitness goal with Guruman. Understanding diabetes with Dr. Anupam. So these have certain amount which you have to pay for the appointment. This is our contact. So let's click one of those. This is let's just book now one appointment with Dr. Priya. Okay, so now it's asking when you want to schedule your online class. So let's click on, let's select 24th, Thursday 24, and the time should just 2 p.m. Let's do it next. Shashank. Let's book it. Okay, so great, you are booked. Confirmation email has been sent on my email ID that I have registered earlier. So we can also add the event or the mm, the session time to our Google Calendar. So just save it. Okay, it's got saved. So let's go to our email ID and check the. Okay. This is the mail that you will receive after joining after joining the appointment. So hi, your appointment is all set. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch. Hope to see you soon. Here are the details. So here you have got Zoom meetings link on the certain time. You just have to click on this link and you will just come live face to face with our doctors on Zoom platform. So let's go back to our website. So that was of appointment consultancy. Let's see best-selling ebooks. Let's add this ebook. Add to cart. So view cart. Okay, now you can check it out. Check out from here. Okay, now you need to fill these details and you need to do continue, and the order will be placed from the website. So basically it's very simple. You need to just choose your program, what your goal is. So this is the chat box. Here you need to, like, if you want to chat or if you have any query, you can chat from here. Our team will be responding you soon. So that's it. That's it. This was our mini project on e-health. Okay. Thank you so much.